Hi, welcome to Skillens. In this video, we will talk about how to register Wipro Elite 2021. We'll see step-by-step explanation. Okay, so first we need to go to the Wipro official website. So this is the Wipro official website. In that, you need to go to the careers. Okay, you need to go to the what? Careers. So this is the careers. So in the careers, you need to go to the students and graduates. So Elite National Talent Hunt. Already we have discussed all these things. So already this particular overview was already done in the previous video. In this particular video we will see how to apply. So please click on apply now. Okay, then apply. So first you should have a proper email ID. So this is the email ID. So after that, so all these things we have discussed earlier. Okay, so then click on next. So in that you have four steps to submit your application form. So step number one. In step number one, you have to fill all these details. Okay, so what are the details? We'll see one by one. So let's see a candidate profile. You may have your social media accounts like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and Windows. Okay, so please try to avoid that because that's your personal thing. So it's not mandatory. So after that you need to upload your CV, okay, with a maximum size of 5 MB from your computer or your Google Drive or your Dropbox or OneDrive. Okay, so let me take my CV from my computer. So from my computer, so let me give my CV. So I have uploaded my CV. So after that I need to upload the photograph. So this is the photograph. So I need to upload the photograph. Yeah, I have uploaded the done. So photograph is done. So the point is this. So you need to the CV size has to be less than 5 MB and the photo also should have the white background. So after that you need to give one login. You need to create a login. Okay, so you need to create a login. So let me create skill as your wish. So I have created one login. So let me create one password. So done. So password is done. So you have to give your information. So after that you have to give your information, Mr., Miss, So after that you have to write your name. Okay. So you have to give your, as per the Aadhaar card, you have to give your name. So after that already you have submitted your email ID. So your email ID will be present here. And after that you have to give your number. And you have to give one more alternate number. Okay, so this is going to be the alternate number. Okay, so this is going to be the alternate number. So your alternate number. So after that you have to give your address. So like home, it will show you the two options. One is home and the other. Okay, maybe some people may be there in PGs like that. So you have to give your address. Okay, so write the city and you have to select your country. So it's of course India. So then you have to select your state. Okay, so I am selecting my state. Okay, then after that you have to give your pin code. Okay, so you need to add, there are two addresses. One is permanent and another one is temporary. Okay, so my permanent and temporary address is same. So like that, you have to type, again it's going to be India, and it's going to be your state. Okay, yeah. So yes. So after that, you have to give your date of birth. Okay, you have to give your date of birth. So what is your date of birth? And you have to give your identity type. You may have your Aadhaar card, you may have your voter ID, you may have your driving license, so whatever. So I am giving Aadhaar. So Aadhaar number. So after that, the education qualification. So education, so you have to give your school name. Okay, so year of passing, which year you have passed your 10th class, and you have to write your hall ticket number. And you have completed your 10th class from which state? Okay, so from which state you have completed your your 10th class, and your 10th class is CGPA percentage, that you need to select. So I have selected CGPA, so my CGPA is 9.5. okay, then your 12th or diploma school name, so that's going to be okay. So after that the same procedure. So year of pass, okay, then you have to give your registration number, which means your hall ticket number, okay, that will be present on your certificate, and from which state you have completed your 12th, from which particular state. Okay, so, whether your 12th is CGPA or the percentage. So if it is CGPA, please type CGPA. Okay, so after that, so please ignore the time zone, it's not mandatory, definitely. Okay, then after filling all these details, so you have to submit your profile. If anything goes wrong, it will show you, otherwise it will continue. Let's see, if anything is wrong, it will show you what are the things you have made wrong. Okay, so look at here. So you have to give your phone number properly, because this is a video, so let me give the phone number. No, that's not the number. Okay, it's a dummy number. Submit your profile. Okay, yeah, when it is submitting, it will show you like this. Once it is submitted, definitely that we are going to the second stage. Okay, our second part. Okay, so it is submitting. Yeah, so once it is submitted, okay, you are entering into the second stage. Okay, step number 2. Candidate answer question, please answer the following questions required. Okay, so hereby, okay, so please click on here, and you have to go to the submit button. So then the diversity is going to come in. Please read all the details. So the race is going to be opted out, and the gender. Okay, so according to your gender, please fill that particular thing. So that is also done. So job specification questions is also done. So now we are entering into the 4th stage. So job specific questions. Okay, so you have to select, do you have any backlogs or arrears? If you have yes, please say yes. If you are having no, so no. No, I don't have any arrears or backlogs, so the same. So then click on submit. Then we entered into the final stage. Okay, so the graduation, so UG, so engineering, obviously. So this exam is, so you are from which college of these 3? Okay, so I am from other institutions, so you have to you have to give your hall ticket number again. Okay, something like that. So you have to give your hall ticket number. So you have to select your state. Okay, you have to select your state. You have to select your district. Okay, yeah, you have to select your district. uh, after that you have to select your institution name. So a lot of colleges will be present here. If it is not present, please, please, type your college name. If it is there, please add that. Otherwise, please give your particular university name. Okay, so it's BE Tech. So you have to select your branch also. While selecting branch, there are a lot of branches are going to be involved here. So you are from which branch is very, very important. Okay, so a lot of branches are there. Please check your branch and try to give your branch name. Okay, so I'm an electrical engineer, so I'm giving an electrical engineer. So year of passed out is 2021. Okay, so you have to give your according to your college, you have to give your CGPA. Okay, so yeah, so if you have done your PG, that's a different case, but I have not yet done my PG. So then you have to click on submit. Once you click on submit, that's it. So your application was successfully submitted successfully. Thanks for applying. So please keeping note of this particular ID 2020 2557043. So please keep note down this particular registration number, requisition number. Okay, so yeah, so that's all. So this is how you need to apply your Wipro Elite 2021. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. And all the best to all the aspirants.